Hello everyone, so you want to be able to buy stuff from Amazon and then pay using your bank account. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you add your bank account to your Amazon account in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. For the first method, we need to use your app or your Amazon app. So let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Search for the app, make sure you have it installed and also update it to the latest version for everything to work properly in this tutorial. After that, you can finally quit the store. Let's go ahead and open your Amazon app. Wait for it to fully load up, and once it does, tap on this icon in the bottom of the screen right here. It will take you to this page. Again, wait for it to load up and then tap on your account in the top right here. Once you tap there, you'll be taken to the settings and options. Go ahead and scroll down until you find the payments category, and right under it tap on your payments right here, and then from there go ahead and tap on add a payment method. Now choose add a personal checking account right here. You'll be taken to this page. You need to fill up your bank account information correctly. Again, double check them and then tap on add in the bottom right here, and that is how you add it from the app. If you want to add a bank account using your browser, open it and go to amazon.com and then tap right here on this icon, of course after logging in. Then scroll down from this list and tap on see all account. You'll be taken to this page. Basically from here it is the same as in the app. Just tap on your payment, then tap on add a payment method, tap on add a personal checking account, and just like that fill up your information, and that is how can you add a bank account to Amazon. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your comments and concerns in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe everyone. See you in the next one.